Hey, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make some passive income. That's right. You can set this up. And once you set it up, you're going to keep making money over and over again. Now, it's not going to require too much effort. I think you can have everything set up in like an hour or two, or maximum 3 hours. But once it's set up, you're going to be able to make some passive income that's coming in. Method I'm going to show you is going to be absolutely for free. And if you've never done anything like this before, don't worry about it, because in this video, I'm going to show you where to go and how to set everything up. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. Talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So if you like those type of videos, make sure you subscribe, like, become a part of the family. So I'm going to jump into the video right now. So one of the biggest industry that will never go out of business, it doesn't matter what's going on in the world, because people are always looking for information. And that is the highly digital online education, right? When it comes to education, people always want to learn. They're trying to find ways, whether they want to learn about a cooking experience, whether they want to learn about how to train their dog. It could be woodworking, it could be mechanic, anything educational. People are going online and they're searching for it. So knowledge is something that you can always make money from. So the more knowledge you have, the better it's going to be. So this website, some of you probably know about it, some of you don't. It's a website that is called Udemy. And Udemy, what they do is they have tons of different courses on here that you can get. Now, there's some great courses on here, and there's some courses that is just a waste of time. I'm just going to be honest. I'm just going to be real, right? So it's just like anything else. So there's great courses. You're not going to buy anything, so don't worry about it. But you could see all the different type of courses and how much they're selling it for. Like this one, 199, almost 200 bucks. This one, almost 190. This one, almost $195, right? So there's tons of courses that you can find. So if you look at the category section, you can see development, there's business, there's financing, there's IT, there's office, productivity, personal development, so many different network, even health and fitness. So if you have, if you're very knowledgeable, maybe you've been doing something for 15 years, you could use that knowledge, you can compile it, and you could put it together, and you can sell your information and your education. Now, I'm going to get more deeper inside of the video. So, for example, right, an affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, that's something you want to do. So, let me type in affiliate marketing. I'm sure you'll see a ton. So, if I type in affiliate marketing, because I'm an affiliate marketer, these are some of the courses that you can find. There's 194, there's 49, almost 50, there's almost 40 bucks. These are the courses that is on here. There's over 1,000 people, 6,000 people, over almost 2,000 people, and these are reviews that people are getting, right? So there's affiliate marketing, there's ClickBank. Maybe someone wants to learn more about ClickBank. Maybe it's CPM marketing, maybe it's passive income. So you can find all type of courses on here. Lots of different courses that will help and solve someone's problem in this area. Now, we're not going to buy these, as I mentioned, but what we can do is we're going to set it up in a way where you can make passive income. So we're going to create courses. Now, you probably say, well, I've never created courses before. I don't know what to do. It's okay. I'm going to show you. If you never created a course, if you've never, ever, or you don't have any content to write about, I'm going to share with you how you could do that. Now, you want to go over to this website that is called diskudemy.com. And here on this diskudemy.com, it is free. It's a way how you can get anything that you want for absolutely free. Now, if I want to type in, like anything, you want to learn about development, Android, JavaScript, maybe you're good at computers, maybe it's reprogramming, maybe it's graphic design, whatever course you want to create on. Okay, so if I search for, if I type in here, affiliate marketing, and I type affiliate marketing, you'll see lots of courses pop up. Now this course came out on the 23rd. This was on the 16th. This was, these are recently courses that just came out. If there's a blueprint about Amazon, you want to learn about blogging. So these are some of the things that you can find, and you can then see how you can. So for example, let's go with blogging. Tons of people out there right now, they want to learn blogging, right? They want to learn blogging, and I'm going to show you a few ways that you can make money using this method. So you can open the course. You could take the course, take it, write down information that you've taken away from it, and then what you could do, then you could put together yours, right? You're not going to copy word by word and do that. You don't want to do it, but you want to get as much information as possible. Get some idea. Nobody just magically just come up with their own method or their own ways and all that. Everybody get inspiration from somebody else. So once you watch the video, you start taking some notes. Now, what you could do, you can create your own course. Now, there's some free software tools out there that you can use. One of them, you can use Zoom, just like the one I'm using. You can use Zoom. You can use OBS as well to create it. And you don't have to put your face on the camera. You don't have to show yourself. You could go to Google and you can make a slide, google.com. So if you go to google.com, you go to google.com/docs, you can create your own Google Docs right here for free. So you can create that, or you can create a slide. So you can create slides, presentation, just like this. Right here, you can see I put one together. You can do a huge presentation. You could get this style, or you could get a blank one. So you can start from blank. Let me just click on this one. This one is ready, good to go. Now you can make a presentation from here. So if you look on the left, these are some ideas that you could put together. Now you don't have to be any guru or any person to put together a course. This is something that you can use and start implementing it, right? If you've gotten this far of the video, hey, don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the family, right? So you can then edit this. So let's say you want to do affiliate, right? Affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing guide. Let's do that, right? And you can put by your name because it's by you, right? By Andre. So you can make it cool. And then once you do that, you could start the slide. So if I click on start slide, like slide, where is it? Okay. So you can like open it, or you can, open it, and then it's gonna blow up. And then what you could do, you could talk. You could say, hey, in today's affiliate marketing guide, I'm gonna show you, step by step how everything works. And then you could go, boom, right? Next slide, next slide, next slide, next slide, next slide, next slide. So you can edit all this and you can put it together. Once you put it together and you record it, what you can then do now is head on over back to Udemy. Now, Udemy is free. You don't have to spend any money to sign up for it. It's free. And then you can upload your course. You can upload your video presentation, and you don't have to make one video. So you can create an hour, 2 hour long video, and then you could edit it to, let's say, 7 minutes. 7 minutes presentation, 10-minute presentation, 5-minute presentation. You could chop it up and put it into section. And then once you put it on here, then people are gonna search, because this website has a lot of traffic. So you don't have to worry about going out there and try to find people. They will come here, they will find your course, they'll buy it, and that's how you can make passive income, just by putting the work once, upload it up there, and you could do. So step outside of your comfort zone and create your own course, right? Build it, put it together, and then once you put it together, then you're good to go. So that's what I wanted to share with you on this video. Hope this all makes sense. If you're new, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you've been here a lot, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you want to know what I'm doing, check out the first link in the description. I'll send you over that information. And if it's something that is right for you, then great. Would love to have you on board. If not, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace.